another side of the universe. So guys, for today's video, another cooking show. Ayan, cooking show ngayon guys. So, today is, it's 6 o'clock now guys. So, our chef here is, of course, none other than
Jax.
Yes, so Jax, what we are going to cook for tonight?
Tonight we're going to have balanced tofu laksa. So we're pretty much going to be making it sort of from scratch.
So guys, this is from Dinnerly again. So it's a balanced tofu laksa.
Yes, so we've got all the ingredients. So they've given us broccoli, carrot, we have Malaysian peanut satay tofu, we have vermicelli noodles, coconut milk, and then we have a Singapore mild curry powder.
Okay.
So there's a few steps here. The extra ones we supply is just the brown sugar. We have soy sauce and just vegetable oil. So starting off, just so we're looking over here, I've already got water boiling because usually that takes a bit to start going. So
yeah,
that's for the noodles, but I'm just sort of preparing that and we'll be going through the steps soon. So the very first step it's saying is to obviously boil the water and now cut the broccoli stem into 1 centimeter chunks. So it's kind of a stem there. So I've never really had to cut the stem before. Usually I just throw this part out. Okay, so now I'm just cutting the broccoli stem. So it's saying to do it in 1 centimeter chunks. So I'm not quite sure what we actually do with the stem parts yet because usually I'll throw these out. Everyone's going to think I'm one who does all the cooking. Which is sort of correct, but...
So you're cutting now the broccoli, Jax?
Yeah, it says to cut the stems. So, like I said, usually I throw this out, so I'm not quite sure what to do with it yet. So it just says to cut into cubes, and then we do cut the big part, but I haven't really read ahead yet, so I'm not quite sure what we do with it.
So, ayan yung mga ingredients namin guys. Tapos, ito na yung instruction from Dinnerly. So, tonight is dinner guys. So, it's not lunch for today. It's a dinner. Dinnerly. Dinnerly, yeah.
Yeah, correct. It's mostly meant to be a dinner service, not a lunch service. Just because usually I think you can only get about 5 meals a week. Actually, you probably get more, but it's usually meant to be as for dinner, not like a lunch or a breakfast. Although I think they do have some breakfast items, but it's probably 1 or 2. So I just make these a bit smaller so they actually cook when boil the water. I don't make it too thick. So I'm sort of just taking the heads and then halving them. That way they're not so giant to eat as well. Now I think the floret parts, these ones here, I think they go in the same time as the carrot. So I can probably put them together. Return the pan to medium heat, add the curry powder and stir. Bring to the boil, add the broccoli, carrot. Okay, so I'm just putting this to the side. So it looks like we actually do use these parts here, they just get thrown in with all the rest. I think it's just giving you an idea of don't make them too thick or else they probably take longer to cook. So we've still got a tiny bit here from the head, so I'm just going to cube that up as well. Okay, next is the carrot, so it wants us to peel. Now it's saying to halve it, and it's just cut into, it's saying to thinly slice at an angle, so I think I've had to do this before. What I've been doing is just cutting it down sort of like this.
So, ito yung photos guys. So, ito ang ating finished product. Ayan. Balanced tofu laksa with broccoli and noodles for 30 minutes cooking time and 2 servings. So, ayan siya. And here is another one. So, broccoli, carrot, satay, coconut milk, vermicelli, noodles, vegetable oil, soy sauce, the allergens, nutrition per serving, and the steps. So, nag-print out kami kasi wala kaming apps nila. So here we will start
So I'm
this.
just heating up gently.
Madumi ang aming kalan, yes.
Yeah, just getting it ready. Because I think after this step here, it is pretty much going to be cooking the tofu.
Okay, we will cooking the tofu, guys.
Okay, so next step, let's just put 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a medium deep frying pan. I mean, that's probably overkill, but it's okay. And then we cook the tofu for 2 minutes each side until golden brown. To be honest, I've never cooked tofu before.
That tofu.
Yeah, I've never really cooked it. I mean, I don't hate it. I just something I'd never buy. But obviously, I mustn't not dislike it too much because obviously I chose this one. Okay, there we go. Looks delicious.
Ooh.
So I don't know if it's one slab. It looks like it's multiple pieces. I should just get the scissors. I think it's 4 pieces. And it's already sort of like marinated in peanut sauce, I think. So it wants me to put up 1 tablespoon of oil in. So this has already kind of got some heat going on. About there. Yeah, I did do that because obviously the sound's going to be a bit like that.
It's okay. It sounds good like that. Ayan na guys, ilagyan na ni Jax ng cooking oil. Yes, cooking oil. Tapos we have boiling water for our vermicelli noodles.
Yeah, I've turned it down just so it doesn't overflow too much. I'll just mix it around a bit.
It's very wavy. Okay, it's golden brown.
Now I'll just sort of stopwatch on just so I can get an idea of timings. So I think it's pretty much ready.
I think it's fine now.
Yeah. Okay, so now it's saying to cut it into 2 centimeter chunks. I'm just trying to guess sizes here. It's probably about 5 centimeters long, so I'm probably just going to cut it into quarters, each one of them. And I'll just put it to the side here. It actually has a nice peanut smell to it. So I'm guessing it will just be served at the end, or...
Is it tofu have a flavor?
Yeah, it's like peanut flavour, this one. Yes, that's already sort of like pre-marinated. Yeah, divided, yeah, so now that it's cooked, it looks like you just put it in at the end. Like it doesn't get re-added as you put it later on top, like that one. Okay, so that just goes to the side. Okay, ready for the next step?
Okay, what's the next step?
Next step is pretty much going to be creating the whole like laksa broth. So we're going to grab the Malaysian curry.
Malaysian curry.
Oh, sorry, the Singaporean mild curry powder, and we just add that to the mix over here. So it's still got the oil from before, and we're going to make it nice and fragrant. I think I've turned the gas off.
Yeah, I turned it off.
So we'll go to about there-ish, so that's medium. So obviously you can't really cook a powder, but it's just fragrant. Just mix it around a bit.
We will add water.
Yes, Jax is cooking.
Jax is cooking, guys.
Sister's here.
Sister is there. Baby boy.
So you can start smelling that there, getting fragrant. And now the next part.
Ubi.
Yeah, so I'm going to do 375 ml of water. So again, I've already pre-measured this. So coconut milk. Coconut milk.
Coconut milk. Open the coconut milk.
Get the salt as well.
Try to cream now. Cream.
Yeah, let's get a bit of both. So together, I think. again. Okay, now it wants me to bring it to a boil, so I'll increase the heat. I guess I'm going to just dissolve the coconut milk. Now we have our vegetables, so we've got a carrot and our 2 types of sort of broccoli cut. Cover it all, wait till it gets a good cook. Now I'm going to put in 1.5, I think it's 1.5 or maybe it's 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, so I can friend that. And now I have sugar. I think we only have brown sugar, so that will do. So 1.5 of this. That's about right. So I'll give that a mix. Cover it up and let it cook for a bit. So now we're going to do the vermicelli noodles as well. So while that's simmering down and cooking the vegetables through, we'll do the vermicelli noodles. Not vermicelli. So just go off in the oven until it's boiling. Enough time has passed, so vegetables are cooked through. I've tested the noodles and they're fine. So now I'll drain these out.
Very
So again, following the advice of Dinnerly, it says to rinse them under hot water and that will help stop them sticking together. So let's see how true that is.
Hot water or
It says hot water actually. That's why I was like spent a minute or 2 trying to get the water hot. Have to really make them dry because they're going straight into a bowl with liquid, so apart from the fact it's leaking liquid now, I'll give it a few more shakes just so I don't put noodle juice everywhere. Okay, here we go. Fast transition. Okay. 1 bowl.
2 bowls. We have a noodles now, guys. Look at that one. Noodles. And now Jax will put the
Now we have
sauce.
the laksa part itself.
The laksa sauce.
I'll
The
do a
cauliflower and the carrots earlier. Yan. Yan. Plating na tayo. We're on plating. We Chef Jax.
That's me.
Yeah. Jax mo.
This actually gives us a lot of broccoli.
Ayan guys, mainit-init pa yan. Very hot.
Now, a bit more there. So at least it covers the noodles, I think. Either bowls are too big or if I didn't give you enough. Oh yeah, that looks alright now. So I'll just knock it down a bit. Yeah, it looks like it's quite vegetable heavy. Maybe that's why it says balanced.
And then our tofu, guys, the one we
My
fried
hands are
earlier.
clean, so
ayan.
we actually will get a fair bit here because I think there's like 16 pieces. I don't want to make it 100% symmetrical. So the tofu is still actually warm. There we go.
So ayan, kakain na tayo ng, what's this?
Laksa.
Laksa,
So
guys.
with peanut tofu and broccoli and carrot and whatnot.
Yan guys, so
yes.
kain na guys.
Yes. Let's try the sauce. So that's it, guys.
Mega love shout out to everyone in the universe. I'd like to thank everyone from the bottom of my hypothalamus. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. If you want to see InDaynaMo cook next time, do comment down below rather than making me cook all the time. And don't forget to ring the bell button as well. Yes, and I think that's about it. So, I'll see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye, guys. Be good, stay safe, and
Mwah.
Chala.
Why are you doing that? Why are you doing